Meya wa Mbarara City Robert Kachebezi omukwiguraho yashaba board okumanyisa abantu ekibarukora hamwe n'abashemeye kuzomezanegi otireho n'amateeka agarukwata hamzanegi aho kuba government nekimanyaho
kumanya gweki kimanywa munonga government abo batwire tureba umurimo gwa beti ushutu n'umurimo nk'ekiyayiyayi kandi nitegateka ngo at the end of this presentation abantu baza kwitegereza ngo betting and gaming is it? Yes. Ushutu nukamurushete tingashibaze ryago bantu banana kandi yo betting atinka betting agabairawe I don't know how even they do it.
Kachebezi yanjaire ko kwataho uko abana bamwe bakozise fizo mzaneji ekintu kiri kusasa abazire kandi yashaba kucondoza okureba license zaba bina madukaga no kureba ngo tuzagibwa mu bana batakashize imyaka
nkabanda kushimanya ngabona n'amateka mwe n'amateka nugo tukwenda n'icyo tube abebembeze abagagambira bariya para n'ikintu cy'ukusasa ladies and gentlemen much as we are here. We need money for government, but it should be clean money. Kushanga waeleza umwana school fees akazama rais kura gashumunchi yanga akasitamzoro ukabuga n'umwana kuryo mushugu.
Senior Superintendent of Police Bakashaba Bosco or RPC wa Mbarara City yashobora kubaza kutamwa amani umukurebuka ngo barwanise kikorwa cyo kukozesa abana bashiri bato muzara hamwe no kuhiga mashini izikirizibwe kose bo mu Uganda.
Gaming and Rotaries start insist in the next picture is the underage students, mostly the school going students and those who are not going to school but they are still young, and they are going to give enforcement to the enforcement team so that we can finish or we can reduce.
Superintendent of Police Bosco Mtabazi orukura byo kucondoza ha body yashobora kuba kwasire machine ziri kuhike 15 ezibenze kosubwa zitine license
kwasire byo babyinshi ga umwaka umwe yeke almost the machines 15 ezirimo Chinese slot machines, fish tables, spare parts ezikutaho mu ihanga abakoze kwesa batine license basically abatine license bakora gambling.
Betting zishemirire kubana zikora mu towns na za municipality kandi tuziri kwiciriza ubo mcyaro aho yashobora ngo binenekeze ubucabo abarukosa abana batakakize imyaka 25.
Gambling aba betting machines companies chirwani zikorera mu towns, municipalities, not in villages. So of course in our office tushiri bache munonga ngati government tuhire manpower abantu tukora nabo koga tukiri bache.
Dennis Mudene ngabirano yashaba abantu barukuzo betting kubashemiye kuba binemirimo kandi bateke sente ezidar kubashasha kandi yashaba abantu okongera gukora imirimo erikore tentation makagabo.
Chikuru munonga no kurebeka abantu abakuzo betting shop says ningashiza dukazaza baza muba makora imirimo wa gukora nutunga sente watwara wese zitakushasha.
Dennis yahamsiriza ko abantu abakora businesses bine kuba bine license eyiba kuhereza buri mwaka icyaba police bine kushujuma babantu bakora imirimo yabo.
Companies zitekaho amaduka buzanaza zishemeye kuba zine license natuhereza license buri mwaka, so ekitu ikirizana n'abapolisi hamwe na local leaders ababariyaha no kurebeka ngo bazo mu dukejo hari hikizi kuchona barebe dukejo ine license ishime kuba ine license yo mwaka bo guturumu abo bantu tukorana kurebeka ngo batunga license
wahati abantu binja bine mirimo ninga working class nibo bakweta bo mukuzana emizaneegi na mnonga hamutimbagano okusinga batine mirimo kandi obucweka 5 na 5 haryabo nabina maka abana bari hansi y'emyaka 25 tubakwikirizwa kuzana emizaneri mu sports betting hamwe na casinos. Ndi Olivia Kamsime, Tayari West Omurimbara.